Avoid gossip at all costs. It's a rumor and fabrication of the truth, a despicable act that can totally bring a person down. If you're the target of rumors, don't retaliate. Stay calm. The person who started the rumor will eventually hurt his own reputation in the process. At times, the Almighty puts you through hard times because He knows when you're at your lowest, you're most likely to turn to Him for comfort, knowing He's the only one who can change your condition. Be patient with whatever He has decreed. Be grateful when things get better. The truth is we all need encouragement and motivation. Everybody needs somebody to cheer them on. Someone who sees the best in you. There are too many people putting others down in this world. Be a positive influence in someone's life. As humans, we will definitely disagree with each other on some matters, at times strongly. That does not make either of us bad or evil. We must learn to respect our differences. Each one of us has the same right to his or her own opinion. Don't feel like you have to fit in and do what everyone else is doing, what society dictates of you. Stop letting others decide for you. At the end of the day, it's your journey and yours alone. Walk it with humility. Devastating news of the attack in #Egypt. Targeting worshippers takes this to a whole new level. My heart goes out to them. May the Almighty grant mercy to all involved as well as families and victims of this senseless act. Almighty, on this blessed Friday, help us to be generous with our prayers. For those we know and those we don't. We pray for those who are hurting and going through the hardest of times. We pray for the sick, the injured and the oppressed. Keep everyone safe, under your protection. There will always be someone who's taller, richer, better looking with a better job and so on. We can either allow ourselves to fall into the dangerous trap of comparison, or we can choose to remember that regardless of what others around us appear to have, we all have our own struggles. That's life. Live it. Life's about sacrifice. It's about making choices. You can't have it all. But when you know you're doing it for the sake of your Creator, it becomes more meaningful. Surely His rewards are the best rewards. How merciful is the Almighty! When you commit a sin, it's recorded as one sin. If you intend to do a good deed but end up not doing it, it's still recorded as one good deed. When you actually do it, it's recorded as 10.